Friends, how to install sharpy power supply? First, look size is proper or not. Then connect first AC connector, neutral phase and earth carefully. Then connect V1 and V2 voltage. You check always this voltage by multimeter before installation, because sometime these connections are changed. Sometime 12 volt is here, sometime 36 is here. So check properly and then connect this connector, and do not connect ignitor first. Ignitor connect last. First on the sharpy, attach these two voltage and check sharpy is on or not, and then finally connect this ignitor, because sometime ignitor short and damage the power supply. So take carefully.